No, I haven't broken down. I'm going out on my bike. Day, last full day at the campsite here, and I'm going to head south to the Mull of Galloway Lighthouse, most southerly point and cafe. So lunch will be partaken there. Bike's just about ready, so let's hit the road. I think it's about 10 miles or so, so hopefully it's not too much trouble. Catch you in a bit. We're almost there. Done about 9 miles on the bike. That's the road. There's a trig point up there, which I think is the most southerly point. And then the lighthouse, car park, you can see lots of cars. There's a cafe there at the top of that headland. So, a mile and a half to go, something like that. Let's get on with it. Didn't expect this. Just before we head up to the lighthouse, there's a little bay, load of caravans, a little hut. If it's just a lay-by parking place, maybe there's a charge there. Little lady sitting there. It's quite pleasant. Shape. It would be rude not to. So we've got a reasonable sized car park here, but there seems to be quite a few motorhomes, and there's one backing in over there. I really don't know how he's going to get in or get out. I wouldn't do it. It's parking by the side of the road for cars. There's big whopping motorhomes here. Vans, all sorts, and then we've got the lighthouse, and there's a nature reserve, so we're going to head in there. So we're locked up here, hopefully that'll still be there when I get back, and we're standing on Scotland's most southerly point here. So the lighthouse was built by Robert Stevenson, grandfather of the poet Robert Louis Stevenson, and has been guiding ships of safety since 1830. So there are various trails here. Viewpoint, RSVP Scotland Visitor Centre. So I think we'll head round in a clockwise direction. So this nature reserve has been here since 1975. So, I'll see you in a bit, bike. Circular route to Lighthouse. busy. Middle of September, sun comes out, everybody's out and about. That's okay. Fantastic views. Heather ale. It's purple heather. Goldfinch. So these might be goldfinches. The last sign said wheat sheaf. Mull of Galloway Nature Reserve and Visitor Centre. Excuse the bad wind again. Vag Point. I guess we'll do that. Helicopter landing point. So we're just following the path around the wall of the lighthouse to the foghorn. You can see the tide. It's coming from the left. So down to the foghorn. Well, we're here again, aren't we? Danger of loud noise. Only when the amber light is flashing. Couldn't see it flashing. No fishing. Gas tanks, I guess, with the foghorn. Crikey. Nice little garden for the lighthouse. And the decking area. There's probably cottages you could hire. Let's go and have a look. So this lighthouse is operated by Northern Lighthouse Board. 26 metres high and 99 metres above sea level. So during the Second World War, on 8th of June, a Beaufighter aircraft crashed into the lighthouse stores building, which I presume is there. Unfortunately, 2 men were killed and part of the roof was blown off. There is no longer a working foghorn, so all Scottish NLB foghorns have been switched off. So this is automated from 1988. There's a lot of work going on, but it doesn't say anything about apartments. The workman's still here, but it's had a new white and yellow paint job. Looks lovely. most southern point on the Scottish mainland. Apparently there's a family of foxes living here somewhere. We've almost finished the circular. Going to do a little bit of this. This could go horribly wrong. Ugh. Mull of Galloway. It's been a pleasure.
Total distance 12 miles. Total time 2 hours 35 minutes and 12 seconds. Split speed 1.1 miles per hour.
Slightly off-road to get to this cairn. I can't remember what the chap's name was, but they thought it was a lookout tower. It's standing high on the hill. Just the last panoramic of the Mull of Galloway.